Here's an example of an exponential graph. The base is 2. Notice that this is going to be transformed either to the left or to the right, and either up or down. In this case, I expect it to go up 1, and we'll find a way to decide what's going on with this graph. First, make your crosshairs, but since everything's occurring above the x-axis with an exponential graph, I'm going to move the x-axis down to give me more space above. The first component I graph is the +1, so I'm going to make a little mark there. This is going to be the line y = 1. Next, I want to graph a special point. The point that I always like to graph with exponentials is the one where the exponent is 0, because no matter what the base is, base to the 0 power is 1. In this case, I would have to let x equal 4 to make the exponent 0. So I go over 1, 2, 3, 4. If x is 4, then the exponent is 0, 2 to the 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So I'm going through the point 4, 2. The way that exponentials work, this graph will either start low and then swoop high, or it'll start high and then it will swoop down. It will swoop up if this is a positive x. It'll swoop down, exponential decay, if this has a negative in front of the x. So I expect this to swoop up. But if you ever have any questions, you can plug in another point. Sometimes I plug in x equal 0 to get a y-intercept. This time I'm tempted to let x be 5, because then I have 5 minus 4, that's 1. 2 to the first is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So this will go through the point 5, 3, indicating that it's got to be going upwards. So I draw, skimming along the line, y = 1, until I get to these points, and then I pass through and move upwards. First, look at your y-intercept. Second, figure out the transformation either to the left or to the right.